How to turn VoiceOver on and off on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn VoiceOver on and off on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get right into the tutorial. With VoiceOver, a gesture-based screen reader, you can use your iPhone even if you cannot see the screen. VoiceOver gives audible description of what's on your screen, from battery level to who's calling to which app your finger is on. You can also adjust the speaking rate and pitch to suit your needs. In order to turn VoiceOver on or off, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Accessibility option. Under Vision, you will see the option for VoiceOver. Tap on that and now toggle the button for VoiceOver on. To turn on VoiceOver, and toggle the VoiceOver toggle button off to turn off VoiceOver. To use VoiceOver, tap once to select an item and double tap to activate the selected item. VoiceOver changes the gestures you use to control iPhone. When VoiceOver is on, you must use VoiceOver gestures to operate iPhone. So this is how you can turn VoiceOver on and off on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.